Welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can find a job in Fiverr. So, to find a job in Fiverr, you just need to scroll down and you'll find the option that says career right under about. Once you tap on career, you'll see this page. You can just tap on this option that says find your next job, and once you're there, you'll see this page. It says that 32 open positions across all offices and all teams. You can use the filter option and you can choose on what sector you want to go to. As you can see, there are 16 jobs available for technology, or you can just go with product, data, design, marketing. If you have to work in a certain location, you can also choose that. You can choose New York, San Francisco, Orlando, London, and you can also choose to work remote. And here are all the jobs that you would want. You can just select the job that you would want. It says that there's a associate content writer and editor job available in New York. And it says in finance that there's a bookkeeper job available in Tel Aviv. So guys, you can see this many jobs option, and in this way you can find a job in Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.